Hi, welcome back to Buyer School and welcome to yet another series of social media tips in which we will share 10 valuable tips on social media on 10 consecutive days. To watch all the videos of this series, please like and share this video and please click on the subscribe button. And yes friends, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a video from Buyer School. So what are we waiting for? Let's put on your seatbelts and let's go viral. So the tip for the day is, data won't tell you everything. Friends, data is the holy grail of marketing. But unless you are capable to draw actionable insights, this data is nothing more than a bunch of numbers. There is not much that data can do alone. For instance, there are algorithms that can read comments, identify positive and negative words and tag them as relevant. But no algorithm can tell you how your customers feel about your brand. So friends, your strategy cannot be based on data alone. The best approach is to assimilate the data and put your own insights and your understanding and knowledge about your audience and decide a customized strategy for your business. Give the social media its due, but let it not rule your strategy and your every decision. So that was all for today's tip. I hope you have been able to derive some value out of this video. If so, please like and share this video and please click on the subscribe button. And yes friends, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss out on any important video from Buyer School. So see you tomorrow once again with another tip. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep watching Buyer School.